be hurting. It's not worth it. I'm not someone who you should miss, or you can fix, and I won't ever change.
We arrived super early.
Yes.
Our flight is at 8. It's like how late now?
1:30, I think.
1:30 at the moment. But we just came early in case what? To prevent ourselves from coming too late for our flight.
Queues,
Queues.
lines.
Queues are a result of the fact that a lot of employees got fired during COVID and now they need more, but it's pretty difficult to get them. It's very busy. We haven't passed by the security yet, but
Oh yeah.
after the security, you gotta go that way. More security. Oh, we made it past the security. It took us 1.5 hours. Normally it takes much longer. We made it. Yeah. Now we just gotta wait from 2:30 at the moment. Our flight is at 8:10. Yeah, that one. Oh, the andere is...
No, so it's
Nee, die... Oh, 13, ik weet niet. Maar hoe lang hebben we nog? 5 uur? Ja, we hebben 5 uur. What's it? We got our food, yeah. With our national treasures on the backdrop. Wow. Where are we going, sir?
We're gonna smash some McDonald's. Yeah, we don't know when we will get our dinner in the plane because our flight is at 8. Maybe we'll get our dinner at 10 or something. And we'll definitely get the dinner though, because it's like an 11-hour long flight. So.
Oh, true. For McChicken and McNuggets, we paid 20 euros at the airport.
20 euros. Yeah, we need some food. It's okay.
Got the goods. I don't know, an airplane for kids to fly. It's rather empty at the airport, don't you think?
Quite a quiet day.
Almost. Can't see shit.
Yeah. Spent so long here doing nothing, walking around, eat stuff.
Oh well. About to fly. It's an hour later, but it's okay.
Kommer det sån fotkommel av kleine
Look at it. Got a meal. I got pasta. Ooh, just a vegan pasta with some, I guess, cheese on it.
Yeah.
Okay. And you got a salad. Oh, yeah, right. And I got a little bread. Yeah.
Bread is quite nice.
You got chicken with
Chicken
like
masala.
sounds.
It's like an Indian chicken curry and stuff.
Good for you, man. Breakfast got served. Watching Dune on the side as well as covering above China. Can't really see it because I don't have the best seat. We made it. Green air. We made it. Everything is better here. Even this mattress. Oh, this is mattress. It's the
Floor, carpet.
carpet. Oh, they were like Korean, Chinese, and Japanese on the signs. Wow. Very good claim. So yeah, I think it's The moment you get out of the gates, you'll be welcomed by currency exchange, which is, I mean, we kind of need it. Oh no, you can't see that. There's a 7-Eleven over there. So yeah, food is no problem, I think. Yeah, they have marble stones, which is pretty cool too. our snack at this little store. Now I'm gonna go back to Chucky's waiting for the SIM card. I got two random T-Money cards. Oh, that convenience store. Oh, that was so nerve-wracking. 16 minutes from
And then
the airport to Seoul Station.
then we have like around 15 minutes to transfer train
To
to go
Busan.
to Busan.
Mm,
Oh my god.
it's hot.
I'm sweating.
Seems like we've been here before. Since 17.
Sir, do you mind sharing your opinion? How's your sausage?
Kind of creamy. You chose milk and cheese as flavor.
I did?
Yeah, milk and cheese is quite creamy.
I had no clue.
Oh no.
I just chose it because of the packaging and the fact it was sitting next to the cashier. Do you recommend it?
Okay.
Okay, I cannot.
I recommend different flavor. But oh.
It's been par for the course. Ooh. 'Cause it's a Thursday and I forgive you. But I got empty cups filling up my bedroom. And I keep thinking as I put in some. As if the world's over. You tell me that it's okay for my okay. Going off the day.
Yeah. It's basically $100.
Ooh. It's a small, compact little apartment with a floor on the, with a mattress on the floor, which is, I mean, I guess it's a vibe. And then they've got like a fridge over here. I don't know why. I guess it's a fridge for clothing. Oh well.
I always want to eat it. Like, so huge.
This one I haven't tried. I want this one. Yeah. What is this then? It's yogurt jelly.
Original.
Packaging is so adorable.
I know, it looks so pretty. You? Yeah, I would love some kimchi for tonight.
Cramped. They have quite a good array of like little breads. Yeah, does it work?
After pressing button, when you
He's not sure.
turn
We
on
just
the
went
phone.
on a whole spree as you just saw. How much did we spend, Jack?
Maybe 20 or
I already spent 20 on the first one. aka the 7-Eleven.
okay, yeah, but that one we spent the most. The other ones we spent like very little. So I guess let's say maybe 30, 35.
Hehe. Can I also use my egg?
Mm-hmm.
Bought 2 eggs.
Like full snacks.
I mean, it's not necessarily super new.
I mean,
It's just we don't have it yet in the Netherlands. Alright, see, we're back home. Let me show you what we got. Let's start off with the chippies. I already finished one on the way back home. These honey butter chippies. Yeah, I've already had them quite often. It's just this packaging is so adorable. It's like drawn by Annalise, I guess. Then we got these ones. I have no clue how these are, but they look very traditional to me. So that's why I got them. Yeah, your gimbap looks good.
It smells amazing.
Then we got from the same brand,
I'm gonna eat one.
like the Colby New Lemon. Haven't seen this. Also, there's called Special Edition on the packaging. We got these like packaged gimbaps because it's 11 p.m. at the moment and everything's kind of closed.
Yeah, that's just good. I like it.
These are 7-Eleven's jellies. I don't know, Jackie's
I love them. Those are great.
On the way back home, I tried the honey butter peanuts. Oh no, not even peanuts. No. Oh, I got the wrong ones, Jack. These are honey butter peanuts. I had almonds. Oh well.
Yeah, this is what I need.
Yeah, I saw these on the internet that they're super popular, and I guess they're pretty.
No.
Close them.
You're lost.
Oh.
No? This is good.
Yeah. I got like a couple to try, these smaller ones, and then a big corn peanut. Like, I don't know, peanuts might be good too, I guess. Ah, I got these two. These traditional honey cookies. They're super small and adorable, and I think I will be able to finish them in one sitting, or like just two. And I won't be hassle to store because I'm going to pop them in the fridge, I guess. I went to a bakery, like tous les jours. But these two, this is like some octopus baked good, like with some, I guess, it looks like croissant wrapped around it. And this is like just your Korean donut thingy. Oh, and we got some noodles too. Welcome to my house. Imagine I can say that.
Noodles are almost done.
Oh really? So fast?
Yep.
I splattered a bit. Funny. That's some good shit. Oh, but still.
This water tastes like nothing. Like actually nothing.
Just walk
Yeah, kinda.
It's much too late.
Can I get this one?